Hi, I'm Regina and welcome back. So today I want to share one of my favorite IKEA hacks. I will show you how to transform this IKEA Kallax shelving unit by adding vinyl paper, doors and tiles. And I'll be using these tiles as overlays. This shelf unit can work in so many places. You can use as a TV stand, as a buffet or as an entryway console. So let's get started, guys. Here I have these leftover pieces of plywood. I'll be adding a backing into my shelving unit. So first, mark your measurements, and as usual I'll be using my handsaw to cut them to 56 inches each. Guys, remember to subscribe and also hit that notification bell. So here I have screws and power drill. I'll go ahead and screw these small finishing screws into this plywood. My new subscribers, thank you so much for clicking. If you love IKEA hacks and decorating on a budget, don't forget to check out my IKEA coffee table hack and IKEA entryway console table for more ideas. Now that we have a back, it's already starting to come together. So one of the material used in this Kallax shelving is ABC plastic on the edges, and I asked if I could paint this shelf, but I was advised not to. So I went for vinyl paper. So here you will need a scissors and a card. First, clean your shelf, cut 32 inches of vinyl paper. Then apply as evenly as possible. Make sure you seal from the center, moving outwards. You can use vinyl tool or credit card to smooth out the surface. Cut a line enough for folding under and remove the excess paper at the corners. Remember to seal each surface completely before you move to the next. Okay, so now I'm done with this part. I did the same to the other side. So I'll go ahead and apply vinyl paper in these storage cubes. Now guys, for the wow factor, you will need an adhesive that bonds mixed materials like glass to wood, and here I'll be using a Polymax glue. So I took a trip to Ikea and bought 8 doors of the unit, and I got these tiles from a nearby store. I know you guys will ask for the link, but I'm really sorry, they do not have an online website. But of course, I can leave their contact information in the description box down below. And I'm gonna be gluing these tiles on the doors. If you're doing the overlays, make sure you add it before installing the doors. Here again, I'll be using my Polymax glue to glue them on the doors. And guys, I recommend this glue. It is the best compared to other silicone glues. I've been using it for a long time, and I noticed that other silicone glues, they tend to be corrosive. Now guys, this will be our overlays, and I'll be adding these knobs that I got from Ikea. I left them to dry for a while, and then I went ahead and screwed these hinges, door hinges that I got from Amazon. So this is how you do it, guys. It's so easy. So after all was done, now I went ahead and fixed them on the unit. And guys, here is the transformation of our unit, and I decided to use it as a console table, and also it was really super easy to do it. Okay guys, this is how it turned out, and I really like the transformation. I really like the look of the unit with doors. You know, bringing life to an old piece of furniture is so satisfying. And also, if I was able to accomplish this, guys, I know you can do it too. So I'd love to hear from you if you give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.